Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakirdob Ying Jompi
Menteri Rang Baka Jelau Kondor Kongkal Sangma Hakas ni Pale ka Khadatri Ujumang Arajar Puar Ula Bthah Ektanat Home Police Bat Ektanat Social Welfare Bantau Bat Banwanra Eka Plan Trekam Kabapania Hapo Ship House ni Kaban Batai Kumno Panya Kon Pyrshah Yaki Jinken Rage of Droks Hakini Jela Mekhalia Haka Jinga Kran Bagila Batai Kubor Hadien Balawai ke Jingalang Bat Kihe Ofisar Jong Kini Ki Artli Kitnak Trekam Ukondot Sangma Ulaya Thu Baka Sorkar ka Bthah Bakin Pendep Yakini ka Plan Hapo Ship House ni Kani Jing Bthah Jong Menteri Rang Ba Kalong Hadien Baka Jingle Yo Kejat Jong U Haki Babun Ki Shnong Hakini Ki Arbanai Balalek No Haka Ulaya Kendo Iki Rio Rang Ba Jong Ki Shnong Bat Kenthum Ki Nong Elam Shnong Ki Baju Kren Bet Ya Ka Jing Kta Jong Droks Ya Ki Khon Samla Bat Ya Ki Emlang Kasalang.
So in the same line, we have discussed about the issues of drugs. I have been visiting many localities in Shillong in the past, 2 months, and wherever I go, the elders in those localities, the Rangbashnongs and other members have always been mentioning to me about the menace of drugs and that the concerns that they're having. So based on that, we had called a meeting, and Home Department and Social Welfare were there, and we have again, as I said, we have asked them also now to come up with a more detailed, plan and more detailed report on what are the actions that have been taken and what are the proposals that they want and what support they need to make the activities even more aggressive. So from the police point of view, more machines, technology to be able to scan and be able to, stop the entry itself in different locations. So if the technology is available, if more manpower is given, they'll be able to do so. I've asked them to make that report and submit to us by another 10 days' time. Similarly, from the social welfare side, what are the actions and programs we have done for the preventive aspect, for the awareness aspect, and we've asked them also to now prepare a more detailed program on how each department, each organization, each headman, society, locality can play a role in ensuring that the awareness can be created about saying no to drugs. And third part is about the rehabilitation. So we reviewed all the aspects of rehabilitation, and we have felt that there's more need for more rehabilitation centers in certain areas which are seeing more of this impact of drugs. So all these aspects were discussed, and now after 10 days, all these different departments will come with a more detailed report, and then we'll be able to finalize on a proper plan of action. We'll be able to give rehabilitation, and if there are organizations and NGOs which are capable, which government can then support, it would be more meaningful at the end, because then the society would be involved in it. So as and when we'll wait for the comprehensive plan from the social welfare, and if they feel that we need to ask the department and the government to set it up, then definitely we'll look into that aspect also. But I would want that it would be in a PPP mode. It would be more meaningful, and I think the management would be better, and it would run better, because the NGOs have a sense of purpose, and they're specifically doing this kind of aspect. So involving them, I feel, is more meaningful, and therefore I would want more NGOs to come forward, and we are ready to work with them and support them. And that's the comprehensive plan that I'm waiting for. So after 10 days, we'll sit down and we'll take a final. That is an aspect we'll have to examine. Let the social welfare department come up with the comprehensive plan. Let us see the aspects of it, because all of that will have to then be kind of put into the policy. So at this point in time, I've noted your point down. So we'll see.